The importance of sinusoidal electrical signals is closely related to the fact that natural phenomena have sinusoidal characteristics. Sound in waterways, for example, can be represented as sinusoids, and electromagnetic radiation propagates as a wave composed of sinusoidally oscillating electric and magnetic fields. Electric circuits are a means of controlling mechanical components, monitoring physical processes, generating or receiving electromagnetic signals, and analyzing environmental variations. Sinusoidal relationships are present in the world that surrounds an electronic device, and consequently many electronic devices incorporate sinusoidal signals. Sinusoidal signals figure prominently in the work of electrical engineers who design audio systems. Microphones generate sinusoidal voltage signals that correspond to variations in air pressure. These are delivered to amplifiers, which produce sinusoidal signals that can be analyzed, modified, or stored for later use. Power amplifiers convert sinusoidal voltages into signals that can drive a speaker, and speakers convert sinusoidal signals back into air pressure variations. Radio systems make wireless communication possible by generating sinusoidal signals that produce electromagnetic radiation that can travel long distances and pass through solid objects. Special modulation techniques are used to modify sinusoidal signals such that they can carry information from a transmitter to a receiver. RF engineers use amplitude, frequency, and phase as modulation variables. Changes in these variables can be transferred as electromagnetic radiation, recovered by an electronic receiver, and interpreted as an information-bearing signal. Some very interesting applications of sinusoids take place in circuits that don't have sinusoidal signals, or at least the signals do not appear to be sinusoidal. It turns out that electrical signals can be analyzed as though they are produced through the addition of multiple sine waves with different frequencies and amplitudes. This concept is based on the Fourier transform, which is a mathematical process that converts a normal signal into a series of sinusoids that represent the signal's frequency content. When we analyze a signal as an amplitude that varies with respect to time, we are working in the time domain. If, on the other hand, we analyze a signal as a collection of frequencies, we are working in the frequency domain. For more details, check out the link in the description or visit allaboutscircuits.com.